So now let us start off with question number 31. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. In astronomy, the mass of stars can be described in units called solar masses. One solar mass is roughly equal to the mass of the Sun. The mass of the star Proxima Centauri is 0.122 solar masses. The mass of the star Sirius A is 2.063 solar masses. A student wants to emphasize the mass of Sirius A, so the emphasis has to be on the mass of Sirius A, for which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal. Is it A, the mass of stars like Proxima Centauri can be described in units called solar masses? B, in astronomy, the mass of stars can be described in units called solar masses, and one solar mass is roughly equal to the mass of the Sun. C, the Sun is more massive than Proxima Centauri, which has a mass of 0.122 solar masses. Or D, with a mass of 2.063 solar masses, Sirius A is more massive than the Sun. So if you said D, that is the correct answer. This is the best answer because the sentence emphasizes the mass of Sirius A. Our focus has to be on mass of Sirius A, noting that it has a mass of 2.063 solar masses and that is larger than the Sun. Choice A is incorrect. The sentence makes a generalization about how the mass of stars can be measured. It doesn't emphasize the mass of Sirius A. Choice B is incorrect. The sentence introduces solar masses as a unit of measurement. It doesn't emphasize the mass of Sirius A. And C is incorrect. The sentence emphasizes the mass of Proxima Centauri, not the mass of Sirius A.